Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got a Trader Joe's haul for you. Ludo is interested in what we got. You love it? Yeah? Okay. We also got some bar stools. Aren't they beautiful? They're from World Market. I love them. Good boy. Oh, he burped. So I'm sorry about the lesser quality today. I'm filming on my phone, which actually looks pretty good. Excuse me, get down, get down, get down. Thank you. No, we don't do that. My camera was dead and you smelling the roses? Okay, get down, please, get down. My camera was dead. I didn't, I got to put this stuff away. I didn't have time for the camera to charge, but I still wanted to share. So I'm going to share what we got. It's not a huge haul. You guys have asked me to start out saying how much we spent. We spent $130 today. I wanted a few things and we're pretty much out of food, especially like breakfast items. So yeah, so that's what's happening. Okay, so starting off, I got some flowers. My parents are coming in town this week, so I wanted my house to look nice. So I picked up some fresh flowers, just some red roses and some hydrangeas. Where have your manners gone? Ludo, get down. Then I bought a lot of produce. If you missed it on Instagram, I talk about it in my April favorites video, which is either up already or coming, so stay tuned. But I talk about I've been having constipation problems. I go into the full story there. It's quite a doozy of a story, but I'm just trying to up the produce and just try and get as much fiber in as I can to make sure that doesn't happen again. So I got a lot of Honeycrisp apples. I also can't get enough of these lately. By themselves, just as a snack, oftentimes I'll just slice some off and take it with me out the door. With peanut butter, I just can't get enough. So I got some of those, some red bell peppers. We got a pineapple and we have a watermelon. The pineapple is delicious. I'm gonna have Bradley cut up the watermelon today, and then I wanna make a fruit salad because that just sounds really good. And I love cantaloupe, that just sounded incredible. Some limes, lemons, bananas, which I thought these were beautiful. I was like, when I picked them up, I was like, these are gorgeous bananas. This was called a honey mango, which it looked smaller and a different color than the other mangoes, but I'm gonna cut this up right now and eat it with lunch because I'm so excited about that. I have no idea what it means or if I'm gonna like it, but I'm gonna try it. And then I just got one beefsteak tomato. Sometimes with dinner, we like to slice these up with just salt and pepper on top, and it is so good. Bradley requested broccoli and zucchini, so I got him those. I just got some baby Dutch yellow potatoes. These are our favorite potatoes. You could do so much with them. Roasted, smashed, mashed, all sorts of things. I got a cucumber because I'm craving some more mint cucumber water. I got some celery because I would like for Bradley to make me some chicken noodle soup coming up soon. That sounds good. Also, I've just been having a ton of salads. I didn't get any spring mix because I would like to go to Costco soon and get their spring mix because I love it, but add that to salads or just as a snack with peanut butter. It just sounded good. And then the diced onions, of course. And then for dinner, with our dinner tonight, I wanted the organic Caesar salad kit. You guys already know the organic is great. The other one is garbage. I got some avocados because I still can't get enough avocados. They just sound so good every single day. And then some cherry or grape tomatoes. I like these ones that come in the little box. This just looks tasty, and if you guys know, I'm craving cocktail, not even necessarily alcohol, just kind of mocktails. So I've been making a lot of mango lemonade, peach lemonade, just different sort of things, and I want to try that with lemonade. Watermelon cucumber, we've tried it before and it's really good. It's very refreshing. Got some milk. I got this for my lunch today, turkey, spinach, and Swiss cheese wrap, even though I'm not supposed to have turkey. Sometimes I still do, just not very often, but it has honey Dijon mustard and an herb garlic tortilla. It's so good. I haven't had it in a while and that just sounded incredible. I got some mozzarella cheese because I am craving a caprese salad so bad. So I got the tomatoes, mozzarella. We have basil in the garden. Yum. I wanted more of this garlic dip. This is so good. It's vegan friendly if you are vegan. Sounds like it's going to be intense, but it's just so good. It's addicting. It's incredible. We like it with the everything seasoning, pretzel slims that Trader Joe's also has. I got some of our butter. I got some sharp cheddar cheese just to I've been craving eggs with cheese, so we can shred that up and put it in pretty much anything. And then I can also snack on it because that sounds good. This was new and sounded so good. The green goddess Gouda. The rind is green, which is so cool, but it has Gouda cheese with zesty parsley, basil, and garlic. So this is a new item. Definitely wanted to try it. It just sounded good. I got light cream cheese and some Greek yogurt. I get the non-fat plain because I want to make my bagels again. I missed them, so I'm going to try and do that this week. I have a recipe on it. I will link it up in the corner. corner. They're just like easy, Weight Watchers friendly 2-ingredient dough bagels, but they taste really, really good. So I want to make those. 2 things of eggs because we're going through eggs like crazy. These are also new. Crispy jalapeno pieces. I'm going to have Bradley try them first. Honestly, guys, I'm not even a spicy person. These just looked so good that I needed to try them. I'm going to have Bradley try them first, tell me if they're too spicy for me, and then if not, delish. It's been a while, but I got some cocoa batons. I just haven't been craving these. Like, I haven't been craving dessert. If I want something sweet, it's more like candy or ice cream, which is so not like me, but these looked good today, so I picked them up. I got 2 bags of these Minta Breath bones. They're basically a knockoff of the greenies, but I think they smell better and he loves them. I don't know, if I need him to be quiet for a minute, it keeps him busy for a second because it takes a little bit longer. But they've got alfalfa, parsley, fennel, dill, and peppermint, and it seriously, once he's done with it, it smells like he just brushed his teeth. It's crazy. And lovely for us. I got some fusilli pasta because we're out, and like I said, I want him to make me chicken noodle soup, and this is what we use in it. I got him some of his $2 chuck and some beer. This IPA is what he likes. Then tonight, Bradley wants to have turkey burgers. So I got some, I love these. These are the honey wheat hamburger buns. So good. So I picked up some of those. And I also got some sweet potato fries with dinner tonight. And then that Caesar salad. And that just sounds so good. And I'm very excited about that. These are delicious. I haven't bought them in a long time, but I used to buy them all the time. And I love them. And we could have made them ourselves, but I wasn't in the mood. So I just bought these. And then we got some multi-grain toaster waffles. These are just good if I have kind of like an icky tummy or just it's for a piece of toast in the morning. They're just easy to always have on hand in the fridge. I just eat them with like butter on top. Not always necessarily with syrup, but they are obviously delicious with syrup. And then we've been in a real English muffin phase, so picked up some of those. So yeah, guys, that is all we got for our Trader Joe's haul. I'm gonna go put all this away, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. A peek at what we got this round. But yeah, if you want more Trader Joe's hauls, I will link them up in the corner. I love you guys. Let me know what you're loving from Trader Joe's at the moment so I can check it out next time, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.